Ryan, why do you look so tired today?
I did not sleep well last night.
Did you stay up late again?
Yes, I watched the movie until 2 in the morning.
What movie did you watch? Was it a scary movie?
No, it was a funny movie about a dog. I loved it.
A dog movie? You stayed up late for that?
Yes, it was very long, but it was very good.
You always stay up late, then you run late.
I do not run late. I always show up.
But you show up late. That is running late.
No, it is not. I arrived. That is what is important.
It is not the same. People do not like to wait.
How many hours of sleep do you need, Mia?
I need 8 hours of sleep, but last night I only got 5 hours.
5 hours is not enough. You will feel tired all day.
I know. I feel like a zombie today.
A zombie? That is not good. Drink some water.
Water does not help. I need hot coffee.
Yes, coffee is better. I always drink tea in the morning.
Tea? Tea has no power.
Tea is very good. It is healthy.
Okay, let's not fight. We have work to do.
Right. Today we will teach 6 very useful phrases.
Yes, these phrases are about plans and time.
Our first phrase is show up. It is our hero phrase.
We will use show up many times today.
What does show up mean?
It means to arrive at a place or to appear.
You show up late to every podcast recording.
Yes, but I always show up with hot coffee.
That is true. The coffee helps. Thank you.
You are welcome. Now, what are the other phrases?
The first companion phrase is make plans.
It means to decide to do something with friends.
The second one is get together.
It means to meet each other and spend time.
The third one is hang out.
It means to spend time with friends and relax.
The fourth one is run late.
It means to be late for a meeting.
The last one is catch up.
It means to talk about new things in our lives.
Later, we will share a surprise culture fact.
It is about lateness in different countries.
I think our listeners will find it very interesting.
I want to hear that fact. Let's start.
Mia, let me tell you my story. Yesterday was a bad day. I made plans.
You made plans? With whom did you make plans?
I made plans to meet my friend Dave.
Did you decide to meet at a cafe?
Yes, we wanted to get together at a new cafe.
Where is this cafe? Is it near the station?
It is on Main Street. It is very popular.
What time did you choose to meet?
We chose to meet at 3 in the afternoon.
Okay. Did you leave your house on time?
No, I did not leave on time. I started to run late.
Why did you run late? Did you lose your keys?
No, I could not find my wallet. It took 10 minutes.
That is typical of you. You always lose things.
I know. So I ran to the bus stop. I was late.
What time did you arrive at the cafe?
I arrived at 3:20. I was 20 minutes late.
Did Dave show up at the cafe?
No, he did not. He did not show up.
Oh no. Did you feel bad?
Yes, I felt very bad. I was late, but he did not show up.
Did you wait for him?
Yes, I waited for him for 30 minutes.
Did you call him? Why did he not show up?
I called him. He answered his phone.
What did he say? Where was he?
He was at a cafe, but not my cafe.
Oh, was he at a different cafe?
Yes, he was at the blue cafe. I was at the green cafe.
Why did he show up at the blue cafe?
I wrote the wrong name in my text message.
Ah, so it was your mistake.
Yes, it was my mistake. I felt silly.
So you both did not get together?
We did not. It was a very sad day.
Well, at least you wanted to show up.
Yes, I tried to show up, but it was the wrong place.
This story is funny. It is about showing up.
Lateness is a big topic. People have different ideas about it.
Yes, different cultures look at lateness in different ways.
Tell me more. What do you mean by that?
In some countries, you must show up on time.
Which countries? Germany?
Yes, in Germany, being on time is very important.
What happens if you run late in Germany?
People will think you are rude. You must call them.
Even if you are only 5 minutes late?
Yes, 5 minutes is late. You must show up early.
Is Switzerland the same?
Yes, in Switzerland, trains are always on time.
What about Japan?
In Japan, trains are also very on time.
If a train is 1 minute late, is that bad?
Yes, 1 minute is late. People expect perfect time.
That is very strict. What about other countries?
In other countries, being late is normal. It is okay.
Really? Like where?
In Brazil, showing up 30 minutes late is normal.
30 minutes? Wow, no one is angry?
No, it is social time. People do not mind.
What about parties?
If a party starts at 7, do not show up at 7.
Really? Why not?
If you show up at 7, you are too early. The host is busy.
Ah, so you should show up late.
Yes, you should show up at 7:30. That is better.
Are other European countries different?
In France, being late is sometimes okay for parties.
Really? How late?
They call it the quarter of an hour of politeness.
What does that mean?
It means you show up 15 minutes late.
Why is that polite?
So the host has time to finish everything.
That is a nice rule. I like it.
Yes, but for work, you must show up on time.
Of course. Work is different. Let's learn more phrases.
Now we have 5 more phrases to discuss.
Yes, let's talk about our next phrase, make plans.
Yes, make plans means to decide what to do.
I like to make plans. I write them in my book.
I know you love to plan every hour of the day.
It helps me. I make plans for the weekend. I make plans for meals.
I make plans for travel, but not for daily life.
Why not? Daily planning is very good.
I do not make daily plans. I just go.
That is true. You never write things down.
I like to be free. I like surprises.
Let's ask our listeners. Are you Team Ryan or Team Mia?
Oh, I hope they choose Team Mia. Planning is boring.
No, Team Ryan is better. Planning saves time.
We will see. Now, let's explain get together.
Yes, get together means to meet and spend time.
We often get together on weekends. We drink coffee.
We get together with other friends too.
How often do you get together with your family?
I get together with my family once a month.
What do you do when you get together?
We cook a big dinner. We eat together. We play games.
That sounds lovely. I get together with my family on holidays.
When we get together, we like to hang out.
Ah, yes. Hang out is another great phrase.
What does hang out mean, Mia?
It means to spend time relaxing. We do not work.
Yes, we just talk, watch TV, or walk in the park.
Where do you like to hang out?
I like to hang out at the beach. It is beautiful.
And I like to hang out in the library. It is quiet.
You hang out in the library? That is so quiet.
No, it is not. I like to read books there.
We can play board games when we hang out.
Oh, I love board games. They're very fun.
Yes, and we can also cook together.
Cook together? You are a bad cook, Ryan.
I am not a bad cook. My pasta is famous.
Famous for being bad?
No, it is very delicious. Ask Dave.
Dave? Dave eats anything.
That is not true. He is very picky.
Okay, but sometimes you run late. Why is that?
I do not run late often, only when I lose my wallet.
Remember, run late means to be late.
Yes, I know, but I always show up eventually.
That is true. You always show up.
When we hang out, we like to catch up.
Yes, catch up is our 5th phrase.
What does catch up mean in plain English?
It means to talk about what is new in our lives.
We did not see each other for 2 weeks, so we need to catch up.
I have a lot of news. I bought a new bicycle.
Oh, that is great. We will talk about it later.
Now I have an oh moment for you, Ryan.
An O moment? Is it a question about numbers?
Yes, I read that many people are late for meetings.
Really? How many people?
I read that about 20% of people are late.
20%? That is 1 in 5 people.
Yes, they run late every single day.
That is a lot of late people. Are they all in Brazil?
No, this is in the United States. Many people run late there.
I also read that in the UK, people lose many hours.
How do they lose hours?
I read that they lose many hours every year waiting for people.
That is very sad. Time is money, my friends.
It is. That is why we must not run late.
Yes, we should try our best. Now, let's test our skills.
Now it is time for our test. Mia, ask me the questions.
Okay, are you ready, Ryan?
I am ready. I will do my best.
Here is question 1. You want to see your friend on Saturday. You call her to decide a time. What do you do?
I would make plans with her. We would choose a cafe.
Perfect. That is correct. You make plans.
That was very easy. I make plans every day.
Okay, let's see if you can do question 2. You want to buy a birthday gift for your mother next week. What do you do?
I would make plans with my sister to go shopping.
Excellent. That is also correct. You make plans again.
Yes, planning with family is very important.
Question 3. You and your friend are now meeting at the cafe. You are both there. What are you doing?
We get together at the cafe. We sit at a table.
Very good. You get together, you meet at the place.
I love getting together with friends. It is my favorite thing.
Question 4. You and your sister are meeting at the shopping mall. You are both there. What are you doing?
We get together at the mall. We are ready to shop.
Correct. You get together at the mall.
Shopping is better when you get together with someone.
Question 5. You are walking and talking in the park. You are not working. What is this?
We hang out in the park. We just relax together.
Excellent. You hang out, you spend time relaxing.
Walking in the park is a great way to hang out. I love trees.
Yes, trees are very beautiful. Question 6. You are at home with your friend. You are playing video games. What is this?
We hang out at home. It is a relaxing day.
Correct. You hang out at home. No work, just fun.
Yes, video games are perfect when we hang out. I played for 3 hours yesterday.
3 hours? That is too long. You should read a book.
Reading is good, but video games are more exciting.
Okay, question 7. The bus is very slow. You will not arrive at 4 o'clock. You will arrive at 4:15. What is happening?
I run late because of the slow bus. I hate that.
Yes, you run late. You are behind schedule.
Buses are often slow. That is why I run late. I should buy a car.
Cars are expensive. The bus is cheaper. Question 8. You have a meeting at work. The traffic is bad. You are not on time. What is happening?
I run late for the meeting. My boss will be angry.
Correct. You run late for work. That is stressful.
Yes, running late for work is the worst thing.
Question 9. You finally arrive at the park. Your friend sees you. What did you do?
I show up at the park. I finally arrived.
Perfect. You show up. You arrive at the place.
My friend was happy when I did show up.
Question 10. Dave is waiting at the cinema. You walk in. What did you do?
I show up at the cinema. I am ready for the movie.
Excellent. You show up at the cinema.
I almost did not show up. The cinema is far.
Question 11. You did not see your friend for a year. You talk about your lives. What are you doing?
We catch up on our news. We share many stories.
Very good. You catch up. You share your news stories.
It takes a long time to catch up after a year.
Last question. You call your old teacher. You talk about your new jobs. What are you doing?
We catch up on our lives. It is good to hear from her.
Ryan, you did a wonderful job. You got all 12 correct.
Yes, I am the king of English phrases. I feel great.
are not the keen, Ryan, but you did well.
Thank you, Mia. Now, let's give a task to our listeners.
Yes, here is your task for tomorrow.
Tell us in the comments, are you Team Ryan or Team Mia?
Do you like to make plans or do you just go?
Also, tell us about your culture. Do people show up on time?
Yes, we want to know. Is lateness okay in your country?
Write a sentence using our hero phrase, show up.
We love to read your comments. They are very nice.
Yes, we read all of them. They help us learn too.
Please share this podcast with your friends.
And do not forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribing helps our channel grow a lot.
It really does. We love making these videos for you.
It is time to go now. We must end the show.
Let's call it a day. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.